Nervous system. The nervous system of prawn is somewhat larger and made up of ganglia. It consists of the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and the sympathetic nervous system. Supraesophageal ganglia or brain. Brain situated at the base of rostrum anterior to esophagus and surrounded a mass of fat. It is a bilobed and the fusion of several ganglia. The brain gives off an antennulary nerve to antennule into which it sends a stellocystic branch of stetocyst, a stout optic nerve to compound eye, an ophthalmic nerve to muscle of eye stalk, an antennary nerve to antenna, and a slender tegmental nerve to labrum. Circumesophageal commissure. The brain gives off a pair of solid nerves called the circumesophageal commissure. These runs backward to downward and unite ventrally with the subesophageal ganglia. Ventral thoracic ganglionic mass. It is an elongated ventral thoracic ganglionic mass lying mid-ventrally on the floor of cephalothorax. It represents fusion of 11 pairs of ganglia and gives off laterally 11 pairs of nerves. First three pairs are the cephalic nerves, supplying the mandibles, maxillule and maxillae, respectively. Last 8 pairs are the thoracic nerves, of which first 3 pairs supply the 3 pairs of maxillipeds and the remaining 5 pairs supply the 5 pairs of walking legs. Each nerve to a leg becomes bifurcated before entering the legs. Ventral nerve cord. Ventral thoracic ganglionic mass gives off from its hind end a stout ventral or abdominal nerve cord. It runs along the midventral line of abdomen. In each abdominal segment, it enlarges to form an abdominal ganglion. Each of the first 5 abdominal ganglia gives off 3 pairs of nerves, 1 pair of pedal nerves to plymphoids, 1 pair of nerves to extensor muscle, and 1 pair of nerves to flexor muscle of succeeding segment. The last 6 abdominal ganglion is the largest, composed of several fused ganglia. It supplies 2 pairs of nerves of flexor muscle, 2 pairs of uropods, 2 pairs to telson, and a single median nerve to hindgut. Sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic visceral or autonomic nervous system comprises a few ganglia and nerves. A small nerve arising mid-posteriorly from brain bears 2 visceral ganglia lying on behind the other. First ganglion is jointed with the 2 commissural ganglia by connectives. Second ganglion gives off 2 pairs of nerves to the walls of esophagus and cardiac stomach.